Hey everybody, Kineton Gaming again. Just going to show you a little tutorial about how to quickly open an image that you want to work on, or a photo, or anything like that, in an image editor really quickly without having to take the long way around, okay? So what you do is you probably have your documents window open with videos or pictures, and what you do is just right click on the file and then just say edit with paint 3D or edit with photos, or you can say edit, yeah, and it will just quickly open the file. Okay, now the best one to edit them with is edit with 3D paint. And it'll bring into 3D paint, which is I think it was new with Windows 10 actually. And the best thing about this, okay, is you can actually do magic select. Now magic select allows you, so you just want to select this woman's face. Now people who've played the game will know who she is, and what you do is you click next and there you go. How clever is that? So then you say done, okay, and then you can literally take just the element you want, and that's how a lot of us do our thumbnails in YouTube, and a lot of artists create presentations. Okay, there you go.